Forget everything you think you know about making money online fast. Surveys won't make you rich. Drop shipping is mostly dead. And MLMs are just pyramid schemes with better marketing. But there are real ways to make money online in 2025. And I'm about to show you 7 of them. Welcome back, everyone. I'm Alex Sterling from Money Street 101. And in the next several minutes, I'll show you 7 legitimate strategies that can put money in your account within 24 to 48 hours. Here's what makes this different. I'm showing you actual platforms, real opportunities, and exact steps. No course to sell, no affiliate links to push, just honest methods that work right now in 2025. Some of these platforms are brand new, others are hidden opportunities on sites you already know. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start earning today. Let's dive in. Method number 1. AI-powered services. The key insight here is that you don't need to be an AI expert. You just need to be faster than everyone else. Services that used to take days now take hours thanks to tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and 11 Labs. Custom logos, blog posts, voiceovers, video scripts, all can be created in minutes and sold for $25 to $150 per project. Let me show you what's available on Fiverr right now. Search for AI logo design and you'll see gigs charging $25 to $75. Look at AI voice clone. People are getting $50 to $150 for custom voiceovers. These are real opportunities available today. The secret is positioning yourself as the express option. Logo delivered in 4 hours. Blog post ready tonight. Voice clone by tomorrow. Speed beats perfection when people need something fast. Start by picking one AI tool, ChatGPT for writing, Midjourney for design, or 11 Labs for voices. Master it this weekend. Create some samples, then list your service on Fiverr or Upwork with same-day delivery as your selling point. Method 2. Live selling. This is turning items into cash the same day you find them. Platforms like Whatnot, TikTok Shop Live, and Instagram Live Shopping let you sell directly to live audiences. The psychology is powerful. Live auctions create urgency and competition that drives prices higher than regular listings. Here's how it works. Find items at garage sales, thrift stores, or Facebook Marketplace in the morning. Research their value quickly using eBay sold listings. Then go live that afternoon and auction them off. Let me show you Whatnot's interface. You can see live auctions happening right now. Collectibles, vintage clothing, electronics. Notice how the bidding creates excitement and competition. The key is focusing on items you understand. If you know sneakers, look for underpriced sneakers. If you collect vintage games, focus on gaming items. Knowledge helps you spot deals others miss. Download Whatnot today. Watch some auctions to understand the format. Then hit your local thrift stores this weekend. Look for items priced under $20 that you can research and potentially flip for 3 to 5 times more. Method 3. Digital products for specific problems. This isn't about creating courses. It's about solving tiny problems with products you can make today. The most profitable digital products are hyper-specific. Instead of productivity planner, create ADHD daily schedule template. Instead of business cards, make real estate agent Canva templates. Let me show you what's working on Etsy right now. Search Notion templates. Thousands of results with consistent sales at $5 to $25 each. Look at resume templates. Sellers making hundreds of sales monthly. Use AI to speed up creation. ChatGPT can structure the content. Canva can design the layout. I'll demonstrate. Here's creating a meal planning template in under 10 minutes using both tools. The research process is simple. Browse Facebook groups or online communities for your target audience. What are they complaining about? What do they wish existed? Create that exact solution. Upload to Etsy for built-in traffic, Gumroad for higher margins, or StanStore for a professional look. Price under $20 for quick sales volume. Once you have one successful product, create variations and related items. Method 4. Micro-consulting. This is selling your expertise in 15 to 30-minute chunks for immediate cash. Whatever you're good at, marketing, design, coding, organizing, even fitness, someone needs quick help with it right now. The key is packaging your knowledge as emergency assistance. Setup is simple. Create a Calendly link for express consultation, connect it to Stripe for instant payment. Set your price based on your expertise level. I've seen rates from $50 for basic advice to $200 for specialized skills. Position it as urgent help. Website not converting? I'll audit it in 20 minutes. Resume getting ignored? I'll fix it today. Stuck on your marketing? Emergency strategy session available. Promote through LinkedIn posts, relevant Facebook groups, or Twitter. The beauty is repeat customers. Once someone gets quick value, they'll book again. Use Zoom for delivery. Then send a follow-up email with action steps. This positions you as someone who delivers immediate results, not just talks. Pick your strongest skill right now and create your first consultation offer. Launch it this week on LinkedIn or in Facebook groups where your ideal clients hang out. Method 5. Content monetization. This isn't about going viral. It's about creating content that platforms pay you for immediately. TikTok Creator Rewards, YouTube Shorts Fund, and Instagram Reels Play Bonus. All pay creators based on views and engagement. The strategy is creating one piece of content and adapting it for all platforms. Focus on topics that perform well. Productivity tips, money advice, tech reviews, life hacks. These niches get better monetization rates than entertainment content. Here's the workflow. Create one valuable tip in your area of expertise. Use CapCut to make 3 versions: vertical for TikTok, square for Instagram, horizontal for YouTube Shorts. Post daily across all platforms. But here's where the real money is. Use your content to drive traffic to higher paying opportunities. End every video with DM me for my free resource, then sell your digital products or consulting services. The platform payments are bonus income while you build an audience that buys from you. Even small audiences of engaged followers can generate significant revenue through products and services. Start by picking one valuable tip you can share. Film it once, edit 3 ways, post everywhere. Repeat daily and watch both your audience and income grow. Method 6. Platform micro tasks. These are legitimate apps and websites paying cash for simple activities you can do right now. Let me show you the actual platforms. User Testing pays $10 to $60 for testing websites. Here's their dashboard with available tests. Prolific pays for research participation. You can see active studies paying $8 to $20. Swagbucks pays for watching videos and completing surveys. Addapol shows payouts upfront before you start surveys. These aren't huge money, but they're reliable and pay quickly. New opportunity. AI prompt marketplaces like PromptBase. Create useful ChatGPT or Midjourney prompts and sell them for $2 to $20 each. Here's the marketplace showing what's selling. The key is stacking multiple platforms and treating it like a part-time job. Run passive apps like Honeygain for bandwidth money while doing active tasks on user testing. Realistic expectations matter. These generate $50 to $200 weekly with consistent effort. It's bridge income while you build bigger opportunities, but it pays fast and requires no special skills. Sign up for 3 to 5 platforms today. Complete your profiles and start with the highest paying tasks available. Method 7. Hyper niche print on demand. This isn't about generic t-shirts. It's about serving specific communities with targeted products. Instead of competing in oversaturated markets, focus on micro niches like ADHD awareness products, specific dog breeds, nursing profession items, and hobby-specific merchandise. Let me show you what works on Etsy. Search Golden Retriever Gifts. Hundreds of successful products targeting one dog breed. Look at ADHD Planner. Sellers making consistent sales in this specific niche. Use AI tools like Midjourney or free alternatives like Leonardo AI to create designs quickly. I'll demonstrate. Here's creating a custom design for teachers in under 5 minutes. Upload designs to Printify or Printful, connect to Etsy, and you're live. The platforms handle printing, shipping, and customer service. You just create designs and market them. The fastest sales come from promoting directly to your target communities. Join Facebook groups for your niche and share relevant products when appropriate. Success comes from speed and specificity. Create 10 to 15 designs in one micro niche, launch them all, then move to the next trending topic. While others make generic products, you're serving audiences who actually buy. Here's the reality. These methods work, but they require consistent action. They're not passive income. They're active opportunities that reward hustle and smart execution. Don't try all 7 methods at once. Pick one. Focus for 2 weeks. Get your first payout. Then consider adding a second method. Your goal is proving you can make your first $100 online, not replacing your income immediately. Most of these methods can generate $200 to $800 monthly with daily effort. Stack 2 to 3 methods consistently, and you're looking at $1,000 plus extra monthly. But this takes months of building, not weeks of hoping. Track everything: time invested, money earned, which platforms work best for you. Use a simple spreadsheet to monitor results. The data tells you where to focus your energy for maximum return. The winners start immediately and improve as they go. They don't research forever or wait for perfect conditions. They pick a method today, start tomorrow, and adjust based on real results. Success online rewards people who solve problems quickly and consistently. These 7 methods give you the tools. Your job is to take action. Your next 24 hours determine everything. Pick one method from this video right now. Set up the account today. Complete your first task or create your first product by tomorrow. Drop a comment telling me which method you chose. I read every comment and love seeing people take action instead of just watching videos. If this straightforward approach to making money online was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Money Street 101. I share real opportunities and honest strategies every week. Now here's the thing, making extra money is only half the battle. What you do with that money determines whether you build real wealth or just stay busy. That's why I want you to watch my video, How to Budget and Save Money Next. In that video, I show you how to handle today's brutal expenses: $1,650 rent, $1,300 grocery bills, and still save money using strategies that work in 2025, not 1995. The combination is powerful. Earn extra money with these methods, then use smart budgeting to multiply that impact. Click the video on your screen now to learn how to budget and save money, even when everything feels expensive. Stop researching, start earning and saving. Your future self will thank you. I'll see you in the budgeting video.